Say good morning everyone. I don't know though, I don't know if it's just in my head. Today I am in pain. I've got an idea for a game. Kendall Ray. Look at the tummy. A good old clear out. This is ridiculous. Hello everyone, welcome back to another weekly vlog. It is Tuesday morning right now. I'm out in the office. I've been getting lots of admin-y bits done this morning. I actually weirdly enjoy the admin-y bits. It makes me feel like a business owner. I know that like I am, but a lot of the time it just feels like I'm having fun when I'm doing this. But when I do like actual admin stuff, I feel like, yeah, I've got this. Anywho, Sunny is down here. Where is she? There she is. She's having a nap. She is the CEO of the company. And since the last time I vlogged out here, the office has changed quite a lot. Even since I did my studio tour, it's changed because the new collection arrived. Here we go. Oh my gosh, that is such a lot of stock. I actually put it on my Instagram story. I took a little picture and said something like, this is A lot of stock, B, my entire life savings in one photo, and C, terrifying. It does feel scary having this much, but hopefully it's all going to go eventually. I've been using my Dyson Airwrap consistently now for a few weeks. Like every time I wash my hair, I use it to dry it, which I wasn't doing before. I was just using my normal hair dryer. And I'm using the brush attachment that's for like smoothing. I think it's for smoothing anyway. And it honestly has made my hair feel so lovely. You wouldn't think that just a different attachment on the end of your hair dryer would make a difference, but it really does. It feels so smooth, really healthy. Yesterday I couldn't even put a claw clip in my hair because it was that soft and silky that the claw clip was falling out. Oh, I've just had another order come in. How exciting. I've pretty much got a day in the office today. I'm going to film some content, film some TikToks. Got my new little trusty Starbucks cup. This is from a company called You and Me Designs. I'll leave their Instagram linked below. Absolutely love it. It's so cute. We've got a little orange and pineapple moment going on today. Here's to a productive day. Cheers. Just had an Amazon delivery arrive. These are some props that I've bought to take product photos, and they're both artificial plants, if they're both in here anyway. I don't know if it's just one. And I'm very skeptical as to whether they're going to be good quality or not. I feel like they're going to look really fake, but let's have a little look together. Oh, I can probably work with them. And then the other one is palm leaves. They'll be okay. I might just have to edit out the shine. They're very shiny. But anyway, two of the new designs for the next collection. One of them is the palm design. I think this will be called Golden Palm. It's already been announced on the Instagram. And I'm going to take some photos of it. I'm going to try and take some photos of it with this. And another one is the cherry blossom design, which is why I got the cherry blossoms to take pictures. Oh, actually, that looks quite cute. Like looking in the viewfinder, I think I can definitely make that one work. What do you think of the cherry blossoms? Sniffy? I've just spent an hour filming 7 TikToks for the Sunnyside TikTok account. It's weird to think that that's like a necessary part of the job now. Like, to promote a business, you've got to be on TikTok, really. Quite a few people have asked in my DMs recently, Han, how do you keep such a healthy diet and like put so much effort into your lunch and dinners when you work 24/7? So I thought I'd just quickly address it. It is really hard to keep a balanced diet and to stay healthy and to stay on track, but I just somehow manage it. I managed to get all the nutrition I need in half a block of smoked cheese, crackers and onion rings. Guys, this lunch, I know this isn't good today. In fact, it probably couldn't be much worse. Have I got the time to make something else? No. Actually, probably yeah. But can I be bothered? No. We're having a healthy dinner, so I feel that's okay. We've got homemade chicken pie tonight with all the veggies. So onion rings for lunch ain't gonna do any harm, is it? So my mum's just taken the orders up to the post office for today. I've packed them all, got them all ready, and she said she needed a few bits from the shop, so she's taken them up for me, which is very nice of her. I'm actually in a really good mood today. I don't mean to sound surprised when I say that, but it is Tuesday. Tuesday is normally my down day. If you watch my channel regularly, you might know I've had a little bit of a journey with sertraline. I call it sertraline, apparently it's sertraline. Sertraline, the antidepressant, you know? I've been on and off of it twice over the past 7 years, I want to say. I don't know, maybe 5, I can't remember. Oh, sorry, Sunny wanted a bit of love. Here we go. So yeah, I've been on and off it a couple of times. I'm now weaning myself off it again, and I'm currently down to taking it twice a week. So I take it on a Tuesday evening and a Friday evening. So Tuesdays is my day where like I go the longest without it, if you see what I mean, because like I take it on a Friday evening, then I have Saturday, Sunday, Monday and Tuesday until the evening, and I feel like like that 4th day affects me a little bit. I don't know though, I don't know if it's just in my head because I know that's the longest I've been without it, but I actually feel fine today. It's a bit of a learning curve, but at the moment I'm just like making note of when I have my, I call them my flat days, because I don't feel like really super down. I just feel nothing and just feel like a bit meh. So yeah, at the moment I'm just taking note of when I have those days and how it matches up with my sertraline. Anyway, this little pup gives me all the serotonin I need. Not factually correct. What shall I watch while I do this little stock count then? Any true crime? Kendall Ray. Kendall Ray. There's pretty much a new true crime video in my subscription box every day. Their videos are just so good to put on in the background. You don't have to watch it, you can just listen. I should really get into listening to podcasts, thinking about it. There's a question for you. In the comments down below, please let me know your podcast recommendations. I listen to music when I'm packing orders and stuff, but a podcast, I feel like I would really like that. So I'm going to watch a little bit of Kendall Ray, well, listen to. I'm going to count the leads, the poo bag holders, and the bow ties for the new collections.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.
Oh, I'm tired this evening. I don't know why, because I literally slept like a log last night. I haven't been sleeping the best, but last night from like 11:30 until 8, completely zonked. Anyway, I am off to be a little Galentine's Santa today. Well, this evening. It's 6:30 and I'm going to take this little package over to my friend Hannah's house. I've worked with Tesco on a Galentine's campaign. It will already be up on my Instagram actually, but basically I went and picked out some presents for some of my best friends. So excited. I've written Hannah a little card. It's nice as well actually because Hannah's boyfriend lives in Wales. He is moving to Essex next month, which is very exciting, but I thought I'd give her a little Valentine's present as he's not here. She got a box of chocolates, a card, a little game for her and her boyfriend, A to Z of dates. I thought that'd be cute for their new house. And these, how adorable are these? I actually saw these on TikTok after I bought them and I was like, oh my god, I feel like I've actually won the lottery. They are the cutest little strawberry plushies. Good morning. Say good morning everyone. And this morning I had a really exciting delivery. I didn't actually vlog yesterday because this week has just been hectic. Honestly, with all the new Sunnyside products coming out, there is a ridiculous amount of work to do. Today I am in pain because yesterday I spent the whole day taking the product photos for the new Sunnyside collection. And I think it's where I was like, I'll demonstrate for you. I'm sure you'd all like to see. I think it's where I was like balancing like this, leaning over, taking the photos in the photo box thing. My back and my heels hurt so much today. It's not a fun time. I also finalised the designs for the spring collection with Alice yesterday. So exciting, honestly. Never stops. You have to think so far in advance with things like this. So yeah, I didn't vlog yesterday. I was busy taking all the photos. Here's a few of them as an example. And then this morning I had a very exciting delivery. So the harnesses for the big dogs arrived today. I'm going to be offering a different style of harness in sizes large and extra large. The 11 boxes turned up this morning. I'm about to count them all, sort them out into the tubs. I promise after this I'll film something that's not to do with Sunnyside. It's just been so busy and I'm really enjoying it. It's a big part of my life now. Look at you and your Yorkie Pud. Sunny does have 2 beds out at all times because she sits in Yorkie Pud and she uses this one as a pillow if she's sitting down here. Honestly, you are ridiculously spoiled, Sunny.
Even if the sky is falling down.
Hello everyone, good morning. It is Friday today and Mum and I have come over to the range. There's a few bits I need to get. I need to get some big tubs for some stock. I also need to get a photo frame for a present for my friend Hannah. I hope Hannah's not watching this actually. I'm sure she's not.
Forget that.
Never mind, forget I said that, Hannah, if you're watching. So yeah, we're gonna have a look around the range and I thought I'd bring you with us. Look at these duvet sets I've just seen. I really like the pink one, but that would be boiling. I feel like I've missed the chance for that now. No offence if this is your style of home decor, but I cannot stand mirrors that light up like this. Not a bit of me. I've got an idea for a game. Let's see who can find the worst quote in here. I think this is quite a good one to start with. Begin each day with a grateful heart. Love builds a happy home. Remember, as far as anyone knows, we're a nice, normal family. You just know that a very normal family has actually got that in their house. Friends are the family we choose. It's so good to be home. Like, why do you need a sign that says that though? I don't get it. Oh God, this might be the winner. I think we found the winner.
Oh yeah.
Listen without, I'm not even going to read the whole thing. Who wants a paragraph like that on their wall? You're never even going to read that, are you? This is a small house with a big welcome. I think that one's the winner though. The long essay. Oh God. The worst part about that one is the font.
Yeah,
why is it so boring? This little honeybee kitchen range is so cute. Oh my God, I actually love it. I don't even normally like bees. Look at them. This is exactly what I came in for. I'm so glad we stumbled across this. We were just saying like, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get them, but they've got loads of different sizes of these tubs. I basically need these for when the dog blankets arrive. These ones are 80 litre and they are £8.50 each. I've got 4. If you need a storage box, they've got flat ones to go under your bed. They've got bigger ones. The range is definitely the place to come. Sunny's got one of the new designs on today. She's wearing Sweet Cherry Blossom. This is literally so cute. I think it's my favourite one. Show everyone, put your chinny chin up. Look how cute that is. Obsessed. Anyway, we're about to go out for a walk with my auntie. It's something we try and do every week just to have a little catch up, and we've actually been pretty good at it since we started. We've done it most weeks, and we started like probably at the back end of lockdown. We call it the Mare and Mutt walk. Sunny is the mutt. Oh, look at you. She's got a little suit on as well because it's going to be super muddy, the field we're going to. Look at the tummy. Oh, look at the tummy. There is absolutely nothing better than getting into a nice hot bath at the end of the day. I absolutely adore a bubble bath. I'm gonna sit in here for probably an hour now, and I have absolutely no regrets about that. Also, if you haven't got a bath pillow, ignore the fact it's got a bit of fake tan on it. Get to know. I think this one was from Boots. Honestly life-changing, and I could not own a bath without a bath pillow anymore. Well and truly overspoiled myself with this, and now I am absolutely a diva about it. Saturday morning, and what am I about to do? A good old clear out. I'm very excited to do this. So if you watched my most recent weekly vlogs, I had a bit of an issue with my hair. I bought all new hair products, new hair care. It's still up here. It's just sitting on top of this little unit because my hair cupboard, oh my goodness, it definitely needs a clear out. I only did this fairly recently, but I can't fit these new products in. I'm also going to do my makeup bags because who needs a whole shelf of makeup bags? I'm going to let you know what products I love. All of these, I have 0 regrets buying. I am absolutely loving them. I think the best way to start is just going to be to empty out the entire shelf. This is ridiculous. Who needs this many hair products? Considering this was after the clear out, ridiculous. So I'm going to start with hair masks. I've got quite a few. These ones are defo my favourites. Oh, that's annoying. Anyway, I was about to say, these are my favourite hair masks, so they're definitely going to stay. I definitely don't need 2 different gels for my slick back bun. This one's my fave, so she can stay. The Miracle Hair Elixirs can also stay. They are some of my favourite hair products. I'm going to speed through the rest of it and then I'll show you what I've kept. So I'm keeping 3 different hair masks. These ones I use quite a lot. On hair washing day, I'll often do a slick back bun with hair masks and a little bit of gel. This little category is like oils, things to make my hair feel nice. This detangling primer is like oil based, I think. It makes your hair feel lovely. You definitely don't need to spray too much of that on. The Coco and Eve Miracle Elixirs are a must, along with the 2 new Olaplex products. This is just a water for if I want to use my air wrap and my hair's too dry. Then we've got shampoos. So I've just kept 5 different shampoos. We've got this one from Way, I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but I posted this on my Instagram recently. It actually made the Instagram feed because I love it. I was having a bit of trouble with my hair where it felt like I'd wash it and then I'd get out the shower and it would still feel like there's product in it no matter how much I rinsed it out. My head always felt like greasy but with product instead of grease. So I was looking for a detox shampoo. I literally just typed that in on Google and this one came up. Oh my goodness, the first time I used this, my hair was literally squeaking in the shower. It was squeaky clean. Where I was running my hand through it, there was absolutely no product in it. If you use a lot of dry shampoo, hairspray, stuff like that throughout the week, using this once a week would highly recommend it. I'll link it down below. I'm buzzing that I found this. I forgot I had that, and I want to start using this hair growth range again. Then moving on to conditioners, I've just kept 3 conditioners. So this one from Coco and Eve, the Olaplex one, and this one's actually a leave-in conditioning spray. This is my little colour section, so I've got a couple of purple shampoos, a purple conditioner, and these hair colour things that I bought in the first lockdown and never used, but I just can't pay myself to get rid of them because maybe I'll want to use them one day. Got a couple of hairsprays, both from L'Oreal. This one is particularly good for curls. A couple of heat protect sprays, they're both the same, they're both half used. These 2 little texturizing products, 4 dry shampoos. You'll notice there are no lids because they are Sunny's favourite thing to chew. And I've used about a quarter of all 4 cans, so nice one, Han. And then I got 3 little holiday minis, a hairspray, a heat protect and a dry shampoo. And that is my new hair care selection. It's not a miracle, definitely not a million times better, but at least everything fits in the cupboard now. Okay, that one's a big transformation. Look at all these bad boys going in the bin. Oh, not my scrunchies though. Not my pack of 30 scrunchies from Amazon. I've been sat in this exact spot all afternoon editing this vlog, and now I feel absolutely cream crackered. But I'm going to take Sunny out for a little walk, and then I'm going to have a chill little evening with my family. We might watch a film or something. Next week I am embarking on a mission because last night I got trapped in a rabbit hole of watching my old TikTok videos, and almost sent me into a spiral of depression. I'm joking, but it did make me realise how much better I used to look compared to now. So next week, the mission begins to bring back early 2020 Han. Lockdown has not done me any favours. I'm gonna tan, I'm gonna do my nails, probably do them tomorrow because they look vile. And then next week, I'm gonna tint my eyebrows, my lashes, whiten my teeth, you name it, it's happening next week. My own TikTok has absolutely humbled me. So yeah, if you want to see that video, come back here next Sunday. Hopefully by this time next week, I'll feel a bit better about myself. Not holding my breath though. But anyway, thank you very much for watching, my loves. I hope you enjoyed this weekly vlog. Don't forget to let me know your podcast recommendations in the comments below. I would really appreciate it. If they're true crime based, bonus points, but they don't have to be. Do subscribe to see my future videos. But for now, thanks for watching. I hope you have a lovely week, and I'll see you again next Sunday with another little video. Bye guys, love ya.